Okay, y'all, I put in 1 egg, and I'm going to add another egg in, the last egg. This is all of the eggs, just 2 eggs, and I'll put in both eggs. Okay. And I'm going to beat this, and I will scrape the sides of the pan. I'm going to scrape the sides of the pan here. Okay. Let's see. Scrape the side of the pan and the bottom of the pan to get all of this well incorporated. I'm going to let it beat some more, and then I will start to add the bananas in. Okay. Let's beat this. I'll drain everything out of the bowl. Okay. Do this well. This is the butter, the sugar, and the egg. Now I will mix in the bananas and the applesauce. As I said, I have 2 well-ripened bananas. Okay, I'm going to stop the mixer, and I'm going to put in the well-ripened bananas here now. I'm pouring in the well-ripened bananas. Okay. Let me scrape all of this out of the bowl. The bananas. Scrape them all out. 4 well-ripened bananas. And I'm going to put the applesauce in as well. And remember, I have a 1/4 cup of applesauce. I'm going to put that in. Get every little bit of this out that I can get out too. And I'm going to beat this well. Okay. And the last things that I will be putting in, the last ingredients rather, will be the flour, and I will alternate the flour and the milk. A little bit of flour, then milk. A little bit of flour, milk, flour. And I'll end with the flour. Then I will batter my pan. And I use baker's choice to batter my pans. Okay? And then I will bring you back when I get ready to pour it in the pan.